Hi everyone, welcome back to our KOSO kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to share with you how to make healthy probiotic-rich hot chocolate using our KOSO. Hot chocolate is my favorite drink to have in the winter. When it's cold, I want to start my day with hot chocolate. Cacao is high in fiber, magnesium, iron, antioxidant. It contains some amino acid. It helps circulation, so it helps you keep warm. This hot chocolate is so easy to make. All you need is cacao powder, almond milk. You can use any kind of milk, sea salt, vanilla extract. Today I'm going to add some cinnamon powder, but if you don't have it, you don't have to add it. I just like to add cinnamon or sometimes cayenne pepper to my hot chocolate. So I have almond milk here, it's warm. I'm adding cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, a little bit cinnamon and sea salt. And mix. I'm going to add vanilla extract. And our KOSO. And mix a little bit. Done. So easy, right? You can add marshmallow on the top or whipping cream if you like. Hope you like the recipe. Let us know what's your favorite drink to start your day in the winter. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon again. Bye.